Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are all fine today, and we can learn English today. Uh, our material. Yeah, today we would like to study about cause and effect. Yeah, actually you have to read the cause and effect in a Google Classroom. And today I would like to explain you again, about cause and effect. Do you know what is cause and effect? Ada yang tahu cause and effect itu apa? Ya, cause and effect itu sebab dan akibat. Ya, I would like to show you the material talking about cause and effect. Okay, look at here. This is cause and effect. Yeah, actually in this cause and effect, the learning objective cause and effect atau sebab dan akibat itu before we talk about the cause and effect, I would like to show you the learning objective atau tujuan pembelajaran kita di sini. First, define cause and effect, and then you can identify the cause and effect in a selection and arrange the cause and effect to be a good sentence. Ya, jadi kamu bisa mendefinisikan apa itu cause and effect, terus mengidentifikasikan cause and effect, mengidentifikasikan sebab dan akibat, dan me-arrange the cause and effect atau menyusun cause and effect menjadi kalimat yang benar. Okay, next. What is cause and effect? Ya, first cause. Ya, in Indonesian you know sebab. Ya, kamu tahu ini biasanya disebutnya sebab. Cause is the reason why something happen. Ya, for example, I didn't bring my homework because my dog ate it. Ya, cause itu kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia itu kan sebab. Is the reason why something happen. Ini alasan kenapa sesuatu terjadi. Ya, contohnya, for example, I didn't bring my homework because my dog ate it. Ya, saya tidak bisa membawa tugas saya karena anjingnya itu memakannya. Sorry. Next effect is the result or something happening. Jadi ini hasil apa yang terjadi, akibatnya ya, effect itu. For example, I'm happy because today is my birthday. Saya senang karena hari ini adalah ulang tahun saya ya. Karena dia ulang tahun, dia senang. Jadi this is the effect. I'm happy because today is my birthday. Next. Ya, dia masuk lagi. Wait a minute. Cause and effect, the signal word. Ya, jadi kalau misalnya sebab akibat biasanya itu ditandai dengan kata sambung. More signal word is for the cause and effect, because as a result, and then the reason for or outcome, on account of, effect finally, bring about, consequently, give rise to, therefore, create by, for this reason, contribute by, hence, lead to, effect, due to, then, since, and so. Ya, actually for the cause and actually conjunction cause and effect, you always use because or as a result, ya due to, then, since, also. Biasanya itu yang sering digunakan itu because gitu, atau because of, due to, since, or so. Ya, yang lain ini sebagai pelengkap. Biasanya jarang kita menggunakannya. Ya, jadi yang sebenarnya sih yang paling gampang itu because of, as a result, itu yang digunakan dalam cause and effect atau sebab dan akibat. Next, the single word to identify which is the cause and which is the effect. Oke, sekarang kegunaan kata sambung atau kata penghubung untuk mengidentifikasikan sebab dan yang mana akibat. Oke, look at the paragraph. Baby pen turtles spend all winter in their nest. They have special chemicals in their blood that can keep their blood from freezing. Yeah, as a result, baby pen turtles can survive freezing temperature. Okay, look at here. They have special chemical in their blood that can keep their blood from freezing. Ya, ini dinamakan apa? This is the cause. Ini adalah akibatnya. Ya, akibat dari suatu hal, and then the effect. Effect-nya as a result, ya, look at a single word. Baby pen turtle can survive freezing temperature. Jadi hasilnya ini as a result atau akibatnya si bayi kura-kura itu bisa bertahan hidup di temperatur yang dingin, yaitu akibatnya karena they have a special chemical, karena dia punya faktor kimia yang spesial ya di darahnya, jadi dia bisa survive atau bertahan hidup di temperatur yang dingin. Next, identify the cause why something happened. Ya, di sini kita bisa mengidentifikasikan sebab kenapa sesuatu itu terjadi. First, I'm as full as a teach. What caused this happen? I ate a lot of food. Ya, jadi di sini saya tuh sangat kenyang gitu. Jadi apa akibatnya yang terjadi? Apa sebab yang terjadi itu saya makan terlalu banyak makanan. Next, I made an A on my reading test. Ya, saya dapat nilai A dalam tes membaca. What caused this to happen? Apa akibat yang terjadi? Sorry, your friend want to ya, jadi apa sebabnya? Sebab yang terjadi. I made an A on my reading test. What caused this to happen? I studied from my test. Ya, jadi sebabnya dia dapat A, penyebabnya apa? Dia sudah belajar di tesnya. Okay, next. There is milk all over my desk. What caused this happen? Sebabnya apa yang terjadi? Ada banyak susu di atas mejaku. Sebabnya I knocked my milk over. Next, dia tidak menutup ya. Next, I'm holding igneous rock in my hand. What caused this rock to form? Ya, lava from the volcano cooled and hardened. Okay, can you identify Sorry, can you identify the causes in this following story? Yeah, Betsy was lonely. She couldn't have a pet because pets were not allowed in her building. Then one day, Betsy saw an advertisement in the newspaper. If I had a bird feeder like the one in the ad, Betsy said, then I wouldn't be lonely anymore. Betsy was right. Soon, many birds began to come to her feeder. She loved to sit and watch them. Ya, kita lihat di sini. Ya, bisa nggak kamu identify sebab the cause? Ya, the causes in the following story. Kamu bisa nggak mengidentifikasikan penyebab dari cerita tersebut? Betsy was lonely. What caused this? Apa sebab Betsy lonely? Yeah, and then what caused Betsy to get the bird feeder? And then why was Betsy not lonely anymore? Ya, please write down, ditulis dulu pertanyaannya. Ya, after that you answer this question. Silakan ditulis di portofolio, di kertas folio.
Kertas folionya ada ya?
Ya, di buku dulu, nanti disalin.
Kertas belajarnya ya?
Iya. Jadi kertas lembar dulu boleh. Nanti kalau misalnya itu siapin kertas folio.
Ini screenshot belajar ya?
Hah?
Screenshot belajar ya?
Ya, screenshot lah. Tuh, baru pada masuk tuh teman kamu.
Saya kesalahan.
Ya, yang baru bergabung tadi siapa? Yang belum di absen?
Riansa. Saya Miss. Raden Bagir.
Raden Bagir siapa?
Bagir.
Raden Bagir siapa? Sugi. Ya, lupa. Rudi Maulana. Rudi Maulana siapa?
Dan.
Hah? Dadan. Oh, Dadan. Sama Imron ya. Ya, oke, we continue our presentation. Ya, ini udah di screenshot ya, nanti dikerjakan. Next, identifying the effect is the result of something happening. Ya, next meeting we would like to correct your work. Ya, today please identify the effect is the result something happening. Okay, last week I left my radio sitting out in the rain. Ya, what will the effect to be? Ya. Minggu lalu saya meninggalkan radio saya itu di luar dan waktu itu hujan. Ya, apa penyebabnya yang terjadi? Oke, I will be rain. It's one work. Ya, dan dia tidak bisa bekerja dengan baik. Next, we have the test today. And last night I forgot to study. What will the effect be? Ya, ingat ya, kalau effect itu akibatnya jadi apa? We have a test today. Saya punya tes ujian hari ini. Dan kemarin malam itu saya lupa belajar. What will happen to be? Ya, apa akibatnya yang terjadi? I might fail my test. Ya, ini akibatnya. Jadi kalau tidak belajar, I might fail my test. Next. I plant some maize in the field and I hasn't rain for days. What will be the effect? The maize will die. Ya, saya menanam beberapa jagung di sawah dan itu tidak hujan ya dalam beberapa hari. Dari penyebabnya apa? Jagungnya bisa mati. Next. The explorers came to shoot Carolina. What was the effect? Yeah, they found riches. They found land. They found Native Americans. Ya, jadi penjelajah itu datang ke selatan Carolina. Apa akibatnya? Dia bisa menemukan kekayaan, menemukan pulau, and they found the Native Americans. Ya, dia bisa ketemu orang Amerika asli. And then they claim land for king and country. Dia bisa mengklaim tanah tersebut untuk raja dan negaranya. Next, next same as the cows. Please can you identify the effect in the following story? Okay, look at the story. Last night I watched the scary movie and I was scared. Every time I was a witch, I couldn't scream. When the witch would laugh, I wouldn't hide under my blanket. I will never watch a scary movie again. Yeah, this is story. Please identify the effect. Every time I would see a witch, what would be the effect? Every time when the witch would laugh, what would be the effect? And what effect did the movie have on my mood? Ya, answer this question. Silakan jawab pertanyaan ini. Ya, sama seperti tadi, cause and effect di screenshot dulu, nanti tetap ya hari ini dikumpulkannya hari ini. Tolong dikumpulkan di Google Classroom. Okay, finish. Next, this is the task 1. The cause and effect. A cause is something to make something else happen. It answers the question, why did this happen? An effect, it was happen as a result of the cause. Ya, it answer the question, what happened? Biasanya tuh yang terjadi itu seperti apa, cause and effect-nya. Ya, tentukan sebabnya dan akibat dari kalimat tersebut. Biasanya sebabnya itu terjadi ketika membuat sesuatu yang terjadi, sesuatu bisa terjadi. Ya, kalau efek itu apa yang terjadi sebagai hasil dari sebabnya. Jadi please determine the cause and effect in the following sentence. Number 1, we didn't have school on Monday because we had 8 inch of snow. Yeah, what is cause and what is effect? And second, Alicia was very tired Friday night, so she went to bed early. Yeah, what is cause and effect? And then Becky flower died because she forgot to water them. Yeah, what cause and effect? And John ate 3 hot dogs for lunch because he was very hungry. Yeah, what is cause and effect? And 5, they ran out of milk, so we had to drink water for dinner. Yeah, this is task 1. And second, task 2. You can match the effect and cause. Yeah, for the each statement in the effect column, choose the statement from the cause column which might answer the question. Why? Write the letter of the cause on the line before the effect. Ya, jadi ini silakan dipasangkan. Ya, please match Choose the statement from the cause column and answer the question. Yeah, okay, finish. Is there any question about the material cause and effect? Ada yang ditanyakan? Is there any question about material cause and effect? Yeah, have you screenshot the task? Please screenshot the task, and after that I give you 30 minutes or 40 minutes, ya, an hour. Yang pertama tadi yang mana? Yang ini ya, yang ini ya, silakan ditulis. Ini kelihatan nggak? Nanti saya taruh di Google Classroom ya, nanti tolong dicatat di buku catatan, tetap dicatat, terus ini dicatat di folio. Pokoknya untuk tugas, itu tolong dicatat di folio dan catatan itu di buku. Yang ini first, ya, tugas pertama identify the cause, and second, identify the effect. Ya, please screenshot. Task 1.
Di sini tinggal pakai sendiri.
Task 1 and task 2. Ya, tolong silakan dikerjakan tugasnya. Tadi ada 4 ya, ada 4 tugas. Terus tolong dikirimkan di Google Classroom. Ya, sampaikan ke temennya. Google Classroom-nya, harusnya ini yang kemarin juga. Ini yang kemarin yang belum mengerjakan, jadi tolong disampaikan di Google Classroom. Oke, I think times will be over for the presentation. Ya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And before we close this presentation, please don't forget to answer the question.